These are clever little pieces of kit. Alligator clips, suction cup base, alligator clip on the other side, and whoa, just knocked one down, fully articulating arms. And this type of articulation, you get more of an angle than you can with just a metal flexible type situation. And look at the one on the floor. Excuse me. And these clips are sturdy enough to do a good job of holding. So theoretically, you get almost 4 extra hands with them. And this company's clever enough, they give you 2 extra clips. And like I said, they squeeze pretty hard. And you get, along with that, these are the ends that stick into the end of the deals. You get 2 open-end wrenches to tighten them down. And they just screw into this base and have a nut on the back. And that's all the assembly you need to do. Now I was thinking, too, with these, because I like magnets, you could take this off and put it onto a 95-pound or 65-pound, would probably be plenty, magnet, and screw that back on. And then you'd have a magnet, extra pair of hands. But these will work, these suction cups, only on smooth surfaces, like my desk here. They won't stick fast onto that. But a good product, good price point, and they certainly serve the purpose of being a soldering aid. So I like them. Cheers.